What's up, beautiful people? Remember this video when I put in my crochet faux locs and I told y'all that I was going to show you how to take it out without cutting your hair? Well, the time has come. Let's get right into it. I'm going to show you how to take out your crochet faux locs without cutting your hair. I'm going to start off by saying do not cut. That was not right. I should have pulled my twist or braid out before even touching the scissors. This is going to guarantee that you do not cut your hair. Then you want to go ahead and cut off the molly hair that you wrapped around your crochet hair, and that's it. You will never cut your hair again. It's all about feeding in your hands to find that braid or twist you had and pulling it out at the root area, and then you're free from cutting your hair. It's really that simple. And you know how the crochet knotless method is. You have to comb out the braid at the root area before the whole lock slides out. Not only is it a quick takedown, it's an easy takedown, and you can choose to reuse your lock for another install or throw it away. It's up to you. I chose to keep my locks for another install because they were just fine. I plan to wash them and reuse them. So I did my edges real fresh, so I didn't even need scissors for this. I just literally pulled out the braid, okay? And then just started to comb it out. Simple. Sometimes you may have to cut off that molly hair if it's old and it starts to lock up. But I really just did that part, so it was easy for me just to find that twist or braid and take it out. Now, if you find your molly hair threaded up to the point of no return and you have to cut it, then this is how you do it. You got to make sure you feel through it and then make sure your hair is not there, because if it is right there, you're going to cut your whole hair off. So just make sure that it's just the molly hair and not your real hair in that wrap. Then you just uncoil the rest and look for your hair and pull that twist or braid out. And then start using your comb to take out the braid. Now, if y'all watched the video on the faux loc install, you know that I braided just a little bit and twisted the rest of the way down. And this is why the takedown process becomes super easy, because the twists unravel quickly, and then all I gotta do is unbraid my root area. And there you have it. Another lock out in less than no time. It's a really quick process. Crochet faux locs or crochet individual faux locs to me are awesome protective style, because you are literally leaving your hair alone to grow. And we all know less manipulation means more hair growth. Okay, I'm giving you guys all the scenarios. With this one, I did not wrap it with molly hair afterwards, so the takedown was even easier. Sometimes you gotta wrap it with molly hair to make it look more natural, but the insides of my hair, I didn't wrap with molly hair. So you just pull your twist or braid out. Then you want to comb out the braided root area and let the faux loc slip out. When doing your takedown, I do advise that you get a water bottle with a little bit of conditioner and spray it on your hair before you start combing. That way you don't have your hair snapping or anything of that nature. It gives it more elasticity. Okay, this is the last one I'm going to show you. It's at the back, and this one is wrapped with molly hair. So I do like to cut it and unravel it, and then go ahead and look for my actual natural hair or natural braid within there. That way I can get to it. And there you have it, guys, how to take down your individual faux locs. Real quick, easy process. Now, before y'all go and wash your hair in the shower, make sure you go ahead and saturate your hair in some conditioner and comb it through. It's important to do that so it doesn't mat up in the shower, because the hair can revert and recoil and retangle as soon as you wet it. But once you can put the conditioner in and comb it through, it's less likely to mat up. Very, very important for us natural, kinky, curly girls. I want to thank y'all for watching, and don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Peace.